Somebody gave me some time ago a pack of candies. I think they're French. I forgot all about them and just have opened the pack a few days ago. And when I tried them, they're just plain rancid. And do not get me wrong, I can eat about anything. But this, it feels like tasting a mix of urinal cake and antifreeze, with a far touch of cola. I'm not sure if that is the product that they put in there to give you a blue tongue, or because they are past their expiration date, but the taste is so chemical that I feel more treated right now as a lab rat involved in cancer research than as a laid-back consumer. I am therefore not enforcing any more torture on my already damaged tasting buds, and will give this stuff a second life it surely deserves. For the next phase, I'm bringing the big guns with this beautiful gnome mold. Note that it is already all busted and full of holes, so good enough for a last mission consisting of shaping some nasty chemicals. I'm also bringing my hair dryer as a source of heat, that I will later have to upgrade to a heat gun. Armed with a combat spoon, let's now add a little talc powder to the mold to avoid everything from sticking. But deeply, I do fear everything will end up in a mess. And it's all sticky. So, what's the point of all this? Well, I'm a YouTuber, so do not expect too much. First, completely busting my gnome mold has been successful. Second, making my whole workplace a sticky mess has worked like a charm. Last, converting nasty candies into a beautiful piece of art has kinda worked. But even more importantly, I now have something for the candy manufacturer that has tried to poison me. Hey, why don't you take this, and with my warmest regards, gently stick it in your